Thank you, Christy. 6:35 now. Nearly 450 people are in the hospital fighting the coronavirus as the state's total number of confirmed cases continues to go up. More than 78,000 people have contracted the virus. 131 people are in an intensive care unit. Marylanders are getting tested for coronavirus at an incredible rate. In the past 24 hours alone, nearly 30,000 COVID-19 tests have been completed. Rachel Carden reports as confirmed cases go up, some restaurants in our area are closing down.
24 hours, a 925 case spike. Confirmed COVID-19 cases in Maryland now total near 80,000.
I do think we should expect to see increases going forward.
Dr. Melissa Marks with Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health says the Baltimore City Health Department is doing a Herculean job when it comes to slowing the spread. But that's just one piece of a giant puzzle.
We are going to experience increases as the country experiences increases in cases.
Dr. Marks thinks people need to increase mask wearing and decrease social interaction. As surrounding states roll back their reopening, she thinks we might need to consider following suit.
In my mind, yes, it is time to consider what we can do to make sure that we're providing an environment for cases to go down and not up.
Nacho Mama's in Towson had to close its doors again after an employee contracted the coronavirus. And the Gertrude restaurant inside the Baltimore Museum of Art is also turning customers away because of a COVID-19 case amongst its staff. Governor Larry Hogan appeared on ABC's Good Morning America on Friday and says people need to wear their masks.
If everyone were wearing masks when they're in public or in contact, the virus cannot spread, and it would be the most effective thing.
Hogan commended Marylanders for doing their part to follow guidelines so the local economy can begin to recover. Hogan said he will continue to follow the suggestions laid out by the CDC and his advisors when it comes to what steps the state will take if cases continue to go up. I'm Rachel Carden for WJZ.
The FDA approves a coronavirus pool test. It allows up to 4 people to be tested at once. Now, the samples are put into one batch with one test rather than running each sample on its own. If the pool is positive, then everyone in that pool will be tested again to determine who is infected. If the pool is negative, no retesting is needed.
The Y is partnering with the Red Cross to host blood drives throughout the region. On Saturday, volunteers collected blood in Towson. They are adhering to social distancing guidelines, wearing gloves and checking temperatures. The American Red Cross said since the spread of the coronavirus, they've had to cancel thousands of blood drives, so they're working to fill the blood shortage.